How to fix Instagram app not working in your Android or iPhone device. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Instagram application not working on your device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to check your internet connection. Switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to see if the problem is the one with the connection type. If needed, you can also run a speed test to check your internet speed, and you can use your Chrome if you're using your Android, and you can use your Safari if you're using your iPhone device. So first and foremost, go ahead and restart your device. Press and hold the power button and then tap on restart if you're using your Android. And if you're using your iPhone, you can go ahead and press the volume up button, the sidebar button, and slide to power off. Now, open your system settings, scroll down and go to apps. From here, simply search for Instagram application. Once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down and go to its storage, then click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but remember that clearing the data will delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. You can also try for stopping this application, and if you're using your iPhone, you can upload the app, and if you're using your Android device, you can try uninstalling the application and reinstalling it using your Play Store or App Store. If you do not want to reinstall, you can open the Play Store or App Store according to your device, either iPhone or Android. Then go to the search bar, search for Instagram application. And if you see an update button instead of open highlighted in blue color, tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Again, go to your system settings, and once you're in the settings page, simply search for software update. And if there is any update available, go ahead and download and install it on your device. Last but not least, you can try deleting, reinstalling the application. So tap and hold on to this application, then tap on remove app or uninstall, and you'll be done. Then you can reinstall it via App Store or Play Store. Now simply go ahead and restart your device, and the problem should be resolved. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.